Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's AutoCAD tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a block library for reusable components. If you regularly draw the same objects over and over again, such as doors, windows, furniture, symbols, title blocks, or equipment, you are wasting valuable drafting time. A well-organized block library allows you to store these commonly used components and insert them into any drawing within seconds. Not only does this speed up your workflow, but it also improves consistency and reduces mistakes across projects. Let's get started. The first step is to create the objects you want to store in your library. Open a new drawing and draw the component as accurately as possible. For example, you might create a standard door block, a desk, a company logo, or an electrical symbol. Before converting it into a block, make sure all geometry is clean and placed on the correct layers. Remove any unnecessary construction lines and verify that everything is drawn at the proper scale. Once your component is ready, type block and press enter. The block definition dialog box will appear. Enter a clear and descriptive block name. Next, click Pick Point and select a logical insertion point. This is important because every time you insert the block, AutoCAD will use this point for placement. After selecting the base point, click Select Objects and choose all the geometry that belongs to the block. Click OK to complete the block creation process. At this stage, the block only exists inside the current drawing. To add it to a reusable library, type WBlock and press Enter. The Write Block command allows you to save the block as a separate DWG file. Select the block, choose a destination folder, and save it with a meaningful file name. Repeat this process for every component you want to include in your library. Now it's time to organize your library. Create folders based on categories such as doors, windows, furniture, electrical symbols, plumbing fixtures, structural details, and title blocks. Good organization becomes extremely important as your collection grows. A well-structured folder system makes it easy to find blocks quickly and keeps your workflow efficient. To access your library, type AD Center and press Enter to open Design Center. Navigate to the folder containing your saved blocks. From here, you can simply drag and drop blocks directly into your current drawing. This is one of the fastest ways to reuse components across multiple projects. For even faster access, you can use tool palettes. Type Tool Palettes and press Enter. Then drag your most frequently used blocks into a custom palette. Once added, inserting those blocks becomes as simple as clicking a button. As your library develops, use consistent naming conventions. Names such as single door _ 900 millimeters or office desk _ 1500 millimeters are far more useful than generic names like block 1 or door A. Clear names make searching and identifying components much easier. A properly maintained block library can save hours of drafting time, improve drawing consistency, and significantly increase productivity on every AutoCAD project. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss another AutoCAD tip. Leave a comment below with any questions or tutorial suggestions, and I'll see you in the next one.